Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Rafil Pramana Iksa. Name 2023012019. I'm from Electrical Engineering International class. Now for course numerical method, I will share my understanding about Newton-Raphson and second method. First, Newton-Raphson method. I will explain about that. This method uses the first derivative approach to iteratively find the root of equation. Newton-Raphson method is a numerical technique for approximating the roots of real value function. It's like we know about numerical method is approximating or to find approximate the exact value. It starts with initial guess of root and iteratively refines the result using a formula that involves derivative of the function. Third is compared to other root finding methods like bisection and second method. The Newton-Raphson method stands out due to its significantly faster convergence rate, quadratic while other have linear. Newton-Raphson method requires computation of derivative and prefer over other methods when this computation is easier and we can find a good estimate of root. The Newton-Raphson method is based on a first-order Taylor series expansion to approximate the root of an equation. Using a linear approximation, the root of the function f(x) equal with 0 can be computed iteratively as the formula is xn plus 1 equal with xn minus fxn minus f accent xn. Step 2 of the Newton-Raphson method is first we have to choose an initial guess for x0. Second, we have to compute fxn and f accent xn or derivative f f derivative xn. And third, we have to update the value using the iteration formula. And we have to repeat it until xn plus 1 minus xn, this is absolute value, is smaller than a given tolerance. And now we have an example about first find the root of the function fx equal with x power 3 minus f for x plus 1. This is the question. We have to find the root of the function fx. Fx equal x power 3 minus 4x plus 1 using Newton-Raphson method with initial guess x0 equal with 2. So first we already choose an initial guess for x0 equal with 2, and we have to substitute the value of x0 into xn into the function, like we substitute in x power 3 minus 4x plus 1, like this. after this, and we can get the value about the substitution about 2 into the function is 1, like this. And we have to find the derivative function, and we substitute the value like before. The derivative of function of x power 3 minus 4x plus 1 is 3x squared minus 4. This is the derivative function, and now we substitute the initial guess into the derivative function like this. And after that we get the value is 8, because now we already have the value about uh we have the value about fxn and derivative fxn, and we substitute into the formula like this. We know xn plus 1 equal with xn minus fx 0 and f accent xn. So xn we know is 2 minus fxn we have 1 and divide it with age. So we get the xn plus 1 is 1.8750, and we do it after the value equal almost equal with 0 like this. We repeat it the formula until we get the value almost 0. Can see after we get the value, this value, we repeat it with initial guess 1.875, and we get this value. We repeat again. Next, for second method, it's similar to Newton-Raphson method, but does not require derivatives. In this method, the neighborhood roots are approximately bisecant line, a line that intersects the curve at two distinct points to the function fx. It's similar to the regular falsy method, but here we don't need to check fx1, fx2 less than 0 again and again after every approximation. We don't need to differentiate the given function fx as we do in Newton-Raphson method. The second method is a variant of Newton-Raphson that does require an explicit derivative. Instead, it approximates the derivative using two previous points. The formula for second method is like this. Xn plus 1 equal xn minus f xn open bracket xn minus 1 divided with f xn minus f xn minus 1. Okay, we continue. For the step of the second method is first we have to choose two initial guess x0 and x1. Different like Newton-Raphson method, we just choose initial guess for x0, but For second method, we have to choose two initial guess, x0 and x1. Second, we have to compute fx0 and fx1. Third, use the second formula to compute x2. And last, repeat until convergence. And this I have a example. The question is find the root of the function fx equal x power 3 minus 4x plus 1 using the second method with initial guess x0 is 2 and x1 is 1.5. The question is same like before, and the method to solve this problem is different. For the first iteration, we have to substitute uh, xn for xn1 is 2, xn minus 1 is 2, for xn is 1.5. This is for initial guess, and we substitute it into the function. After we substitute into the function, we can get the value is for f2 is 1, and for f1.5 we get minus 1.625. Yes. After we get the value, we can substitute it the value into the formula. This formula, we know we get xn is 1.5 and minus fxn is 1.625. We substitute it into here and here, and xn is 1.5 minus 2 and 1.625 minus 1. After we substitute it, we can get the value is 1.7857, and we can repeat formula with xn minus 1 is 1.5 and xn is this value. We repeat it like before, and we can get the value again, and we repeat it again with xn minus 1 this value and xn in this value. Okay, maybe just that I can explain about Newton-Raphson and the second method. Sorry if I still have a lot mistake about my explanation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.